Hi guys, I know it's been short notice, but I wasn't sure exactly when I'd be able to come online. Hi Kaleem. Hi Shan. Hi everyone who's joining in. Hi Sid. Hi Hanoon. Hi guys. Hey Sanku, I love you. Hi Ronu. I love you. It's so funny that we say hi to our friends on Instagram live now. I mean, honestly, I don't think I've ever been busier at home. So, yeah, but this is nice. Okay, so now a lot of you have tuned in. A lot of you are sending me requests to go live with me. Hi, Anna. Harshana, hi. I know, Sanku, I do. How sweet. So many sweet comments. So like hi Kritik Harbanda FP. I love you guys. Hi Abhi. Hi Jitan. Hi. How are you? Long time no see. Hi Kritik KFC. Thank you so much. So I think today is I don't know if a lot of people know this or not, but all my fan clubs have been extremely active on Instagram and they've been kind enough to do this for me. Renil, I love you. I don't annoy you, you annoy me. We'll have that discussion later. But today is today is a very big celebration for me. Moreover, it's I feel like it's a second birthday in a year. It's been 11 years since I had my first release in Telugu. I remember when I stepped onto the sets, I was like, 17 and a half, and it was just one of those very surreal feelings that I had obviously never experienced before, and it felt really nice. I still remember the first show that I watched of my first film with my mom sitting beside me, with Mama on one side and Ramana Gugula, who's the producer of our film, on the other side. And I think it was just such a lovely feeling, seeing myself being someone else on screen and just feeling so many emotions at once. I remember crying a lot through the film, just couldn't believe what was actually happening. And here I am today, 11 years later, actually being able to celebrate this day, and I'm feeling really proud and really happy and over emotional. And that is honestly the reason that I've come online today, just to have an interaction and just I don't know, just tell you guys how much I love you and how exciting this journey has been. I still remember the first time I gave a short for a movie. It was for a Telugu movie, Boni, and I had to learn a completely different, completely alien language. And fortunately for me, because I studied Kannada in school and had this knack to really how do you put it, really mug things up. Like, I could really mug things up. I used to do really well in history because of that. But it's that really came in handy. Things from school came in handy. And I still remember the first dialogue that I did. It was నా పేరు ప్రగతి, నా పేరు అంటే నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం, నా జీవిత లక్ష్యం నా పేరు నుంచి పుట్టింది. And Pragati basically means unnati, like growth. And this dialogue, basically I was saying that my name is Pragati, and everything that I want from the world, the growth that I want to see, I've been fortunate that my parents gave me that name, which is actually become my motive for life. And I thought that was so amazing. Monitor Didi, how did you all know? People know Monitor Didi. So I cannot believe that just happened. Yes, I am Monitor Didi, but please, you have to tell me in private. Do send me a message and tell me how you know about Monitor Didi. And oi Renil, thank you. Hi Litesh. Hi, I have to mention Litesh as always. Litesh has been one of those very ardent fans. Makes sure that he makes my day in every way possible. he always remembers everything about me. Even if I forget, he's the one person who always reminds me, be it something I should tweet or be it something that I should post, which could be important to me or to someone else. So Ritesh has been that guy who's really made a major effort in making my life easier. And I've never met him, but I would love to. Hi Kriti Slays. God, why? What happened? Of course, I do remember you, and I will say hi. Hi Sumi. Okay, now everyone started saying monitor Didi. Did you say something somewhere? Yeah, I remember Ron, Siddhartha, my friend here. I still remember when I was shooting my first Hindi film. I flew down from Bangalore, obviously, to Mumbai, and I had a couple of hours before my international flight to Romania. And Ronita actually, planned this amazing send-off for me, which is a very big surprise. And I still have those images, and she really made sure she checked up on me while I was there because I was going away from home for 2 months for the first time ever. And thanks, Ron. She's been that girl. Hey, Kun. How are you, bro? I'm gonna reply to you now. I'm sorry, I forgot to reply. See privately how. Yes, you tell me privately how you know about Monitor Didi. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Hi, Sumit. Hi, guys. Hi, Aniket. Hi. Okay, so what I was thinking I would do. 1 second, guys. Not able to. Anyway, so coming back to y'all, I really want to take this time and thank y'all for everything that y'all have done for me. Also take this opportunity to talk about how life has been and how stressful. Hi Amisha. Hi Kunal. How are you? Thank you, Nitesh. That's so sweet. Speaking in Kannada. Namaskara. Hey Gidraj. Hi Anjali. How are you? Anjali is another one of those people. Very cute, very bubbly, very amazing. Put a very big smile on my face. Yes, I am replying to his many comments. Hi Solanki0155. Hi. Hi Dr. Ankit Raj. Hi. Hi, no, I am responding to as many people as possible. Hi Kritika. Hi Amir. There are so many comments. Chana Gidini, Dr. Madhu, thank you so much. I am really good. Hi Kavita. How are you? Long time no see. Hi Atharva. Hi Bharadwaj. Hi Vritika. Hi Isa. Hi Gautam. Okay, hi. Okay, so now I'm gonna address some really cool questions. If you all have something for me, do send them to me. I'm constantly reading comments as I speak to you. I'm sorry I haven't been able to reply to just everyone. It's not been able to, figure out a lot of things. I'm trying to multitask. So I'm trying to talk, I'm trying to read the comments, and I'm trying to understand what to say. सत्तू कहाँ है किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट का कलेक्टर है वो दैट शुड बी आई थिंक दैट शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द क्विज दैट वी प्ले नेक्स्ट वीक so basically I've come here to talk about this thing that I'm planning to do. So we're going to play Kriti Bingo next week, and I'll get everything ready, and the layouts will be shared with all my fan clubs, and they will send it out and things like that. So I'll keep you posted about what we're planning to do, and I think it's going to be very exciting. I know a lot of you want me to address a couple of things, but which you all have messaged me about, and I would just like to say that I am not ready to be talking about it, and it's something that has been very difficult for me also to accept. So I think I'll take some time before I actually address it and talk about it. So thank you for respecting that. Thank you, Budge. I hope I'm saying that right. Thank you. Googly is one of my most favorite films also of me. I really like that movie, and I can't wait to be a part of it again. Hi Shlok, Pulkit is good. Thank you very much. Twitter fans are missing my chat session. I'm sorry, I've been very inactive on Twitter, and on social media. But I think I'm gonna do it soon. But this is how I function, so it's a little difficult. Hi Sumi, I said hi. Of course, I said hi to you. लॉकडाउन के बाद मेरी शादी में जरूर आना. Of course, why not? Hi Diva. Yes, it has been 11 years and I'm very excited and thank you so much for jailing me for so long. Anyway, this was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for all your questions, for all the love that you all have sent me. I hope I've said hi to as many people possible. मैंने आपको कितना रिप्लाई किया पर आपने जवाब नहीं दिया. मैंने कब जवाब नहीं दिया? What are you doing for? I didn't say anything like that. I'm not doing anything like that. Thank you, Prabhu. See, he's saying I'm cute and nice. You don't say that. नहीं है, अभी तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. पार्टी कब से नहीं करी? रेलिवेंट क्वेश्चन. मैं वैसे भी पार्टी नहीं करती, बट मुझे अब तो बहुत जमाना हो गया. What to do? Your mom's planning an arranged marriage. It's okay. It's all right. It's allowed. होता है. You never know. What if you click? So it's all right to have an arranged marriage. I cannot believe I'm giving gyan about arranged marriages and love marriages. I think a marriage is a marriage. You too. Hi, the real shit Gyan. I love your page. I do. I really do. I don't watch MasterChef Australia so much, but I do watch snippets of it. Thank you. That's such a big compliment. But I have to say that plating is always the other half of me. He's better at it than I am. So मैं क्या करूँ? अरे quarantine is a good time to study ना. What is so difficult about studying during quarantine? You must. In fact, you've been given the gift of time. करो. पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा. आप ये सोचो कि आपको समर हॉलीडेज में बहुत लंबे लंबे प्रोजेक्ट्स मिले. आप ये सोच के कर लो. शादी में जरूर आना. पार्ट 2 कब आएगी ये मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन मैं बात जरूर करूंगी इसके बारे में. इट विल डेफिनेटली कम, बट आई डोंट नो व्हेन. सौरभ, हाय. No, I didn't just wake up. I look like this nowadays because I'm sleepy all day. It's all right. Shiku, hi. Kutti. Hi. Hi, Anuja. Yeah, I'll do the googly pose. Yeah. Guest in London. Thank you. I'm so glad you like Guest in London. Hi. Hi, Adrian. How are you? Long time no see. Mwah. Full love to you. No, I'm sorry. He's not here right now. This is my life. Talk to me. Of course, for sure. Once all of this. Hi, Kruti Kharbanda FP. This is gonna happen for sure. I promise. We will meet really, really, really soon. And really, I want to meet you all too. And we're gonna make it happy. Hi, Rahul. I like your handle. Rahul, be happy. That's nice. It's very nice. I really like it. What is this? लॉकडाउन कैसा चल रहा है? अच्छा, लॉकडाउन बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. जस्ट एक्सेप्टेड दैट दिस इज व्हाट इट हैज टू बी. इनफैक्ट अब तो आई थिंक बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी हो गया है कि हम ध्यान रखें कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि काफी चीजें खुल चुकी हैं. मोर पीपल आर गेटिंग आउट, सो ऑब्वियसली चांसेस ऑफ कैचिंग द इन्फेक्शन आर लॉट मोर. सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी स्टे इनडोर्स एंड वी स्टे सेफ, constantly wash our hands and just be nice to people. Yeah, I think that's most important right now. That's what people are craving. Uh, yes, yes. Which is my next movie. My next movie in Hindi is called Chauda Fere. It's directed by Devanshu and sorry. And guys, I have to say this. There is this movie called Chintu Ka Birthday, and it's on Z5. It's directed by Devanshu and has Mr. Vinay Pathak and a really lovely cast in the lead. And I think I should definitely watch that film. I remember watching the trailer a few months ago before it had actually come out and people had actually seen it. And I remember walking out of that office just teary-eyed. And I'm watching it tonight. So please do watch it, and I hope you all enjoy the film. Do tell me what you all think, and I will send your inputs to Devanshu. I'm sure he'll enjoy reading them too. I'm very very excited about working with him. So yeah, 14 फेरे, चिंटू का birthday, जरूर देखना. So yeah, that's basically that's it for me, and I just want to thank you all once again for making today so special, and supporting me the last 11 years, giving me all the love possible. I don't know what good karma I have that I deserve, that I got so much love, and I do not take it for granted. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for being there. And thank you so much for elevating me every step of the way. I love all of you with like beyond belief, and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you all. So thank you so much for always giving me so much love. No, I'm not singing today. No, not singing today. But I promise to come back live real soon, and exciting times ahead. Get set for Kriti Bingo. It's not gonna be easy. I promise you. I promise you that much. So you have to do a little bit of research. But I promise you, it's gonna be worth it because the winner's gonna get something really cool. So let's do this, okay, guys? And I love you all, and I will see you all really soon. Thank you so much for tuning in, and catch you all next week. Bye.